So hello guys, it's Teacher Dad. So today I'm going to be doing a little collab with a friend of mine. He works here at the same place I do, and he's our resident rocket scientist, Mr. Gardei, and he can tell you a little bit about the rocket here. So we're going to have the launch today.
Hello, how you doing? What we have here is a 3D printed Saturn V, about 1/130th scale. I drew it in Fusion 360 and printed on a Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. It weighs about 1 pound, a little under 3 ounces, 1 pound 3 ounces. And the first flight's powered by two Estes D12s. I expect to do a couple hundred feet with this motor combination. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.